Hi, we're Dr. Loren today from University of St. Augustine, Miami, and we're here to just talk about a little bit what she does and also what she thinks about PhysioU and what she thinks she would like to see from us.
Great. So, hi, I teach applied anatomy to first semester students, which they learn basic skills such as goniometry, manual muscle testing, muscle length testing, and palpation skills. So, I love PhysioU because it has the videos that they need and if they can use it as a reference. And it's just wonderful. It's very clear, it's easy to understand, and it matches the book, the resource that we use. I'm also in Movement Science 1, which is where the students learn task analysis. So I really enjoy that feature with the task analysis tab where students can go in, see examples of sit to stand and various task analysis, and they can see specific examples of each section of the task analysis.
Nice, and we actually just created a task analysis app. Have you haven't used that, Lauren, yet?
Well, I just found it on the PhysioU, so I've been looking at it, and I told our other faculty about it. So we will start implementing it with the students soon.
Perfect. And I just have one last question. If you can describe PhysioU in one word, what would you say?
I would say it's very innovative, and well, I only get one word, but I would also say it's amazing because it's just an easy access resource for students to use and for faculty to use.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much for your time and thank you for talking about PhysioU. We hope you continue to use.
Thank you.